Every school bus starts as red dust buried deep underground. The scale of transport required for just the raw steel is staggering. This single facility produces the majority of America's school buses.
Nothing enters the production zone without strict clearance.
These massive coils will soon become the safety cage for children.
It is hard to believe this rock turns into a glossy bus.
The complexity of the raw mineral dictates the strength of the steel. This rolling process aligns the grain of the steel for maximum strength. The spine of the bus begins as a flat, endless sheet.
Lasers ensure the frame is accurate to within a fraction of a millimeter.
Each hole is a future connection point for a vital component. The C shape increases strength without adding unnecessary weight. This ladder frame is the foundation for the entire vehicle. Robots ensure every weld is perfect for passenger safety.
These axles are rated to carry over 30,000 pounds.
The suspension is tuned specifically for passenger comfort. Air brakes are a critical safety requirement for buses of this size. The heart of the bus is this 6.7-liter powerhouse. Precision alignment is key to preventing vibration throughout the bus. This shaft spins thousands of times per minute to drive the bus. The cooling system is designed for heavy stop-and-go traffic. Modern school buses exhaust air that is cleaner than the air they take in. The fuel tank is positioned centrally for maximum collision safety. Piles of wiring are hidden inside the chassis frame. Heavy-duty hydraulics assist the driver in turning the massive vehicle.
These tires are designed to withstand curbing and heavy loads.
Simultaneous torquing ensures equal pressure on every lug nut. Galvanized steel is used to prevent rust from road salt and moisture. The wheel wells must be perfectly sealed to keep the cabin dry. A single piece of steel is far stronger than multiple pieces welded together. A single piece of steel is far stronger than multiple pieces welded together. These steel ribs form the primary protection in a rollover accident.
The Bluebird bow design creates a fortress of steel.
The roof skin adds tension and rigidity to the entire frame.
These These panels are designed to be easily replaced if damaged.
The emergency door frame is reinforced to remain operational even after a crash.
The raw steel skeleton is now ready for its iconic yellow coating. Even a single oily fingerprint can ruin the paint job. This invisible chemical layer is the first line of defense against rust. Electricity forces the coating into spaces a spray gun could never reach. This baked-on shell is what keeps the bus rust-free for decades. Workers manually seal hundreds of feet of seams per bus.
Primer acts as the bond between the protective shell and the yellow paint.
Federal law standardizes this exact shade of yellow for visibility.
Human eyes ensure the robotic work is flawless.
The gloss finish helps reflect heat and stays cleaner longer.
Black paint around the driver's area reduces eye fatigue.
Good insulation keeps students warm in winter and cool in summer.
These panels are designed to reduce the volume of 70 shouting kids. Marine-grade plywood resists rotting even if the floor gets wet. The flooring is fire-resistant to meet strict safety codes. Metal trim strips ensure the floor stays flat for the life of the bus. Split sash windows allow for ventilation while keeping heads inside. The panoramic windshield offers the driver a wide field of view. Separate circuits ensure emergency lights work even if others fail. The 8-way light system is the universal signal to stop traffic. The body waits suspended, ready for the most critical step, the marriage.
This is the moment. Two separate manufacturing lines become one vehicle.
Without these rubber pucks, the ride would be unbearably noisy.
The body clips allow for slight flex, preventing stress cracks.
A single loose pin here could disable the entire bus.
The steering linkage must be fail-safe for total control.
The dashboard is designed to minimize distractions for the driver. Drivers must monitor air pressure constantly for brake safety. The air seat floats, isolating the driver from road shocks.
Switches are oversized, so they can be operated even while wearing gloves.
Fiberglass is used because it doesn't rust and reduces front-end weight. The tilting hood provides mechanics with walk-in access to the engine. Seat frames are engineered to bend, not break, during impact.
High-back seats are the primary passive safety system for students.
Loading from the back is the most efficient way to fill the narrow aisle.
The floor bolts are strong enough to hold the seat even if the bus is upside down. Passing a deployed stop arm carries heavy legal penalties.
This simple yellow bar saves countless lives by keeping kids visible.
School bus bumpers are significantly thicker than car bumpers. The black stripes aren't just for looks, they are side impact armor. A system of 7 mirrors allows the driver to see 360 degrees around the bus.
A single burnt-out bulb is an automatic fail.
Interlocks prevent the bus from moving if a child opens the back door.
Misalignment of just 1 degree can ruin a tire in 5,000 miles. The bus faces a simulated hurricane for 10 solid minutes. Electronic moisture meters are used to detect invisible leaks.
The dyno allows testing top speed without leaving the factory.
Balanced brakes are critical for maintaining control on slippery roads.
A rattle usually means a bolt wasn't torqued correctly.
Check this spot right here. Got it, looks good now.
Vinyl letters are used so they can be changed if the bus is sold.
This tape reflects light 500 times brighter than white paint.
Cleaning removes any stray metal shavings from the manufacturing process.
Undercoating can double the lifespan of a chassis in the Rust Belt.
Seeing 500 new buses together is a blindingly yellow spectacle.
Each bus has a unique key code for security.
Buses are often delivered in piggyback stacks of 2 or 3.
After weeks of assembly, the bus is finally on the open road.
Delivering 3 buses with 1 driver saves massive fuel costs.
These buses are driven, not trucked, to verify reliability. The reflective tape makes the bus outline visible from 1,000 feet away. The district now takes legal ownership of the vehicle.
Dispatch, this is Bus 101, radio check.
Loud and clear, 101.
Drivers are required by law to inspect the bus before every single shift.
The amber lights warn drivers to prepare to stop.
Good morning.
Morning.
Head on back, please. The high seat backs are the most important safety feature inside the cabin.
The crossing gate makes it impossible for a child to hide under the nose.
The journey ends only when the bus is confirmed empty and safe.